And in neighbouring Manchester, a group of children in Mandeville saved their lunch money to purchase food, cake, sorrel and ice cream for the homeless. They're from the Campbell's Castle SDA Prep School in South Manchester. The teachers and the charity organisation Friends in Need matched the funds from their savings. Principal Cecile Forbes says the gesture was intended for the children to demonstrate acts of kindness and charity which they have been taught in the classroom.
Some of the students will, instead of buying a bag juice, they would put their $30 into a can that we have there. We emptied it and we use it to make the contributions that we have made towards this initiative today.
CEO of Friends in Need charity Yvonne Townsend Carr applauded the children's efforts. She says it comes at a time when there is a greater demand for food and clothing for the homeless.
Has been more. We have been catering to 50 average street persons on the road, and they're up to about 75. Okay, for this time of the year, I don't know why, if it's the economic climate. However, the numbers have increased very much.